Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make money with Wealthsimple. So to do that, first of all, open the Wealthsimple app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you have a Wealthsimple account. Now once you have a Wealthsimple account, there are various ways on how you can make money with Wealthsimple. So let me go through the methods over here. So the first method is obviously your cash account. Once you open a cash account, the first way you can make money is through the interests. Now, if you deposit a certain amount of money into your Wealthsimple cash account, you get a 4% interest. And as you can see, I earned $1.97 in January and 66 cents in February so far. Now this account will act as a high interest savings account. So in order to make money with this account, simply put in your money over here. Just like I've put $6,000 into this account, I'll simply make money through interest in this account. Now the other ways on how you can make money with Wealthsimple are simply by investing. Now you can invest into the stock market, or if you want, you can also invest into cryptocurrencies using your Wealthsimple wallet. Now if you really want to make money, you can use any of these steps over here. So if you want to make guaranteed money, simply go with the easiest option, which is through interest. But if you want to risk it, you can simply invest in some cryptos, or you can also invest in stocks, dividends, or you can start option trading or day trading on Wealthsimple. So those are basically the ways on how you can make money with Wealthsimple. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as